Termed as one of the hottest altcoins, it is the only one that is being seen as a platform that will completely replace Ethereum. At a position of 22 in the market, the analysis suggests that it will continue to decline by 4.44%. Despite the negative indication from the market, the bullish trading trend continues. At present, the trading volume stands at 1 billion, with a market cap of 5 billion. Welcome to a new video of the Crypto Channel. Our new video is about VeChain. This video contains some very useful information about VeChain. For people who are deciding to take the first step in the world of cryptocurrency or blockchain platforms, this is a must-watch video. If you are watching our video for the first time, then press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get an update every time we upload a new video. The past. Let's take a trip back to the time when VeChain was started. Sunny Lu, the former Chief Information Officer or CIO of Louis Vuitton China, developed VeChain and got it on Ethereum network. The relationship was a short one, as he formed VeChain Foundation and left Ethereum to form his network. It took him around 3 years to launch the foundation and develop his network. VeChain is the only blockchain platform that originated in China and got global recognition. The year 2018 marked the beginning of a new feature on the platform, named Mobile Wallet. The development was a result of the VeChain Foundation partnering with POW. The partnership stands unique, even in 2021, as VeChain was the first to get official recognition by a professional partnership. The partnership was confirmed as an incubation program. Under this incubation program, VET was rebranded as a utility asset. The move came as a surprise, but was a much-needed one. VET token had started to get more usage in the industry. The adoption rate was skyrocketing. To leverage the increase in the usability of VET tokens and leverage the adoption rate, VeChain Foundation rebranded the platform as a utility asset. The blockchain platform still runs on similar lines to that of Ethereum. Some of the major improvements that have been made are related to tracking the products with the help of QR codes, or integrated NFC and RFID. Security has always been a part of the system of the VeChain Foundation. Unlike other platforms, it only allows a limited number of nodes. This helps to a lot of extents. Since the number of nodes is limited, the transactions in the network are carefully examined and reviewed. Every node must go through the KYC verification. To ensure the system remains organic, they are asked to hold at least 25 million VET tokens themselves. Technical analysis of VeChain. Understanding VeChain can turn out to be very complicated. Hence, we have crafted its technical analysis by incorporating a lot of basic information in a single language. The blockchain platform deals with the enhancement of the supply chain management of various corporations. While other platforms perform the same task, VeChain does it better with a streamlined process. This has boosted its usage and led to an increase in higher investment. Just like any other commodity, the higher the usage, the higher the value, and the higher the value, the higher the investments flow in. The platform works in a few simple steps with one major tool. It uses distributed ledger technology. A distributed ledger technology is, as the name suggests, opposite to the idea of centralizing the data collection and storage. The same technology ensures that the data remains completely protected in the system. A breach in one system would not affect other systems. Neither the data will be lost, nor will it be left exposed to hostile agents on the network. It also takes care of tracking the supply of the products. This includes a set of physical products and crypto products. The supply is tracked with the help of a unique tool that is assigned before the product is released for shipment. In case of any discrepancy, the sensor raises an alarm in the system, and the authorized department takes care of it. The other part that ensures safety in the system is proof of authority, also known as POA. It requires proper documentation to be done while assigning a person the authority to act on someone's behalf. Other platforms function on proof of work, and POA is what makes VeChain safer than the other platforms. The second version of POA is currently being developed. VeChain Foundation aims to roll it out as early as possible. The second version of POA is expected to include additional features to make a transaction more secure. Price prediction. The three major components of VeChain, namely cryptocurrency, platform, and real-world technology, work together to make VeChain Thor Energy a hot commodity. Since its debut in 2018, the platform has only witnessed bullish market growth. The trend remained the same during the COVID-19 pandemic. It's only later, during 2020, that prices went down. The price volatility is estimated to be somewhere around 3.5%. Even at a declining rate of 4.44%, it has managed to get the prices up by 50 times since 2021 started. The mark is yet to cross $1 on the board, but the growth is impressive. Upon conducting a thorough interpretation, the two factors that come out as a major influence were its usage and investment. The increase in its usage makes a lot of sense. The focus on offering a streamlined process and more security features than other platforms increases its adoption rate. The investment also seems like a fair point. However, there is a question mark to that. The higher the usage, the higher the investment. This follows as the platform generates more engagement and revenue from its users. With higher revenues in pocket, the return is distributed handsomely among all the stakeholders. A few experts say that only the investment part is not enough to work a piece of magic on the platform. To clarify, the market capitalization of VeChain is too small. The only way that the value can go up via investment is if a whale investor enters the picture. A whale investor is known to have a huge pocket with a lot of cash to dump. They don't literally dump the cash because they do expect a reasonable percentage of returns. A whale investor is known to dump cash because they take higher risks with a nothing-to-lose attitude. They are aware of the risk factor, but they hardly let it affect their investment decision. Also, every stakeholder sees the growth of VeChain as a triangle that can break either from the top or from the bottom. A break from the top is expected to raise the value by 2 times, whereas a break from the bottom would take it back to where everything started from, below the mark of $0.50. The future. The future of VeChain looks a bit controversial. The idea to get into non-fungible token, NFT, was planned in 2018, the year when VeChain was launched on its platform. It was, however, never pitched to the crypto network, as there was a long way to go for the platform itself. Jump to 2021. NFTs have attained everyone's attention. The trend originally started in 2020, and that's when VeChain Foundation decided to pitch it to others. Since the platform was never meant to deal in such tokens, the plan to diversify in NFT remained as it is. Don't worry, there is something positive that we can take from it. Renault, a France-based automobile company, has accepted the platform on a global level. This means that the company verifies data like meter reading and maintenance, to name a few, for all its offices across the globe, with the help of the system created by VeChain. VeChain Foundation has expressed its strong interest in exploring more niches related to the crypto community. One can expect a lot to happen after the launch of POA 2.0. This is it for today's video. For more such information related to the crypto world, stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video, and if you are new, then do subscribe and turn on the notification. Goodbye.